Sripath Kukulkar to be the person before whom members of the Goa Legislative Assembly shall make and subscribe the oath or affirmation before taking their seats until Speaker chosen by the Goa Legislative Assembly.
हांव सिद्धार्थ श्रीपाद कुंकळकार गोंय राज्य विधानसभेचो सभासद म्हणून निवडून आयला म्हण देवाच्या नांवान शपथ घेता की हांव कायद्यान थारायल्ल्या भारताच्या घटनेचेर विश्वास दवरतलों आनी भारताचें सार्वभौमत्व आनी भारताची एकवट राखून दवरतलों आनी जे कर्तव्य म्हाका लागू जालां तें खरेपणान पुरे करतलो.
22nd will be the session for first electing speaker, then governor's address and budget. Starts tomorrow. It will be adjourned till 22nd because we have to prepare. Unless there is a confidence vote, I can't touch the budget preparation. 22nd will be speaker's election. 23rd will be speech. A lot of things which I have to consult others, what are their priorities, take their information. But basically, to ensure that the financial stability of state is